Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Taylor Swift's cardigan look using the new Folklore Cardigan item that's on Dress to Impress. I am very impressed. Okay, that was horrible, but I am very happy that this is now an item. I've been waiting for Taylor Swift to be in some sort of game. You guys have no idea. I'm like waiting for her to collab on Fortnite or any game, like basically, but I know this isn't like an official collab, but oh my god. Oh my god. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, to actually make this, sorry for yapping. People are like, stop yapping, but I can't stop yapping. I'm gonna just remove everything except for the hair. I did some minor adjustments on it. I used this hair in blonde, then this hair in bangs only, position the Y at 0.52. Then I used this in the bang section in the same color, blonde, position the Y at 0.58 and scaled it to 0.4. Then I used this in only bangs and blonde. I did no adjustments to that. For the outfit, of course, we're going to use the cardigan. You don't need VIP for this unless you want to add that extra skirt. So this is the non-VIP version first. Select this dress, type 2, and select this color here. Then go to codes and use the Ella skirt. If you don't have it, the code is ELLA for Ella. Select the long one, turn off ribbons, and color it the same as the dress. You can stop here if you don't have VIP, but if you do, you can add an extra fluff using this skirt here in that same color. Then for the shoes, I just use these boots here in this color, 3F352E and 27211D, and the rest a darker color, and voila, that is Taylor Swift. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!